Man, I thought I heard the concrete truck. We've been waiting for a couple hours now. No, we working hard though. You see, one sitting down, another sitting down. That's how you get paid the big bucks. So I wanted to show you the City of Chattanooga inspection tag. So we passed, as you can see, there's a check mark on the pass for the building. This is what it looks like when you get done eating Taco Bell. Them late night runs, baby. We're a little high here. I'm gonna pull some for you. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Nikos Property Show. So they just took that machine off of here. Guess what time it is? It is time to pour the concrete. We got all the rebar tied in. They dug the footer. We were out here all night, literally 8:30 p.m. We had truck lights on. We took flashlights from my neighbor, literally went over to his man shed and took his flashlight. Shout out to Mr. Jeff, by the way. But anyways, today is time. Man, I thought I heard the concrete truck. We've been waiting for a couple hours now. If concrete ain't late and you ain't waiting for it, then you ain't doing concrete the right way. But anyways, we got the entire footer dug. We got the rebar down. We went with 5/8, number 5, and we did 3 of it with triple chairs. That is like way overboard, and that foundation is gonna go nowhere. But my brothers and my dad build custom homes, so I'm doing it the right way and only the right way. So anyways, we're gonna show you what this footer looks like with the drone footage, show you what the entire finished process looks like, and then we're gonna get to pouring. So let's get to work. Before we jump into pouring the concrete, I wanted to show you what I got done this morning. I wasn't able to film it because when you're on a timeline and you're just trying to get stuff done, you can't just grab the camera all the time. I got this construction drive done. So initially what we did, we dug it down about 8 to 10 inches from the top of the soil that was already here, from the top of the dirt. And then what we did is we took all that over there. So if you want to show that pile of dirt, we've got all kinds of dirt everywhere. What we're gonna do with that dirt is actually raise up the backyard once we're ready for that. So what I did here is I called in some 1.5 inch gravel. I got a full load here, unloaded it. Then I got another full load of 1/2 inch gravel on top of that. So it's not really bad on tires, because you'll see a lot of construction places where it's just this gravel right here, where it's real thick, and it can really cut up your tires. If you know, you could puncture it. I've never really seen it happen, but sometimes you're like, oh, that's questionable. And then you just kind of put some 1/2 inch gravel right there, mix it up, and it makes it real soft. But let's go in my garage real quick, and I'm gonna show you something that I wanna explain real fast. As we put this rebar down, we actually put these things called bulkheads in when you have a step down. So every time you have a step down, that means you're gonna have a row of blocks that go a little bit lower. But the bulkhead, what that does is, right here we have plywood with some grade stakes holding it up. What you got for this is it actually makes it go here, and then it goes down a level, then it goes level out at the bottom again. So these are all over the property. I think there was 11 or 12. Can't really remember the exact number, but once the concrete truck is here, you'll see exactly how that works. It stops the concrete from actually just rolling over and over and over, and it keeps it very straight and angled. So waiting on these concrete trucks, we're about to get started. Let's get to business. We're working hard. Look at that, you're gonna be famous. Your daughter's gonna be watching you all over YouTube. Ooh, he already famous. Go ahead on, brother. That's what I like to hear. Chris, Brandon. Yes, sir. Look at him. What YouTuber you want to meet?
Already met him.
Oh, man. Look at him. He's got the key to my heart, baby. He said he has already met him. No, we working hard, though. You see, one sitting down, another sitting down. That's how you get paid the big bucks. You sit down and relax. We've been waiting since I called it in at 11:30. What time is it? I don't even know what time it is. 3:13. That's right at 4 hours.
Yeah.
So hopefully I'm hitting a record here, and that's the longest you've ever had to wait. What are we gonna do, man? You just wait, and then eventually you pour the concrete. But we're good. That's just the challenge. It's construction for you. It's what's supposed to happen. I don't know. Asking you shall receive don't always work, but at least they'll come later. So we're still waiting, and we'll get to work here shortly. So I wanted to show you the City of Chattanooga inspection tag. So we passed, as you can see, there's a check mark on the pass for the building, which is the footer area. And so we are going to get started. Trucks are on the way. We are going. Let's do it. All right, y'all, so we're rolling. Concrete trucks are here. We ordered from Lamcon. I got 3,000 PSI, which is the pressure it can take. We got it with fiber. It's mixing up right now. They released and everything. We've been waiting for a while. Concrete is really hard to get nowadays, but He's getting them backed in. We're gonna pour the bulkheads first so they can start setting up. And as the other trucks are rolling right away, back to back to back, we're just gonna pour the rest of the footer. So this is gonna be good stuff. I'm excited. Just roll this footage, baby. This is all interesting. Get it all. Chris, you got that paper? Yeah, I gotta pay that. So what we got here is called the chute. There's extensions on it, and what happens is the mud is mixed up there, so the concrete, everybody calls it mud. So the concrete's mixed all the way up in that big barrel thing constantly. He's gonna add water if we need it, but right now we have more of a drier mud in this one, so that we can get the bulkhead set up first. So as you can see, he's watering and everything like that, and we're gonna get straight to work because this is good stuff, man. This is the content you want to see. So y'all might be thinking, what's happening here? My man's got the hand signals and everything. When you're pouring concrete, this means give me more mud. You've got stop, you got go forward. There's all kinds of hand signals. So when you're pouring concrete, you better know them. I've just learned it from my brother and everything, but we got to fill up these bulkheads and get them set up first. Oh yeah. Big truck, big mud. We working. Yes, sir. Ain't we working, baby? Said that's right. This is what it looks like when you get done eating Taco Bell. Them late night runs, baby. Literally. I'm just keeping it real.
Look at that pump.
Hey, that's a heavy truck, man.
Yeah.
When them things start sinking like that, when that dirt starts sinking, it gets a little scary. That's
the weight and shift.
I'm telling you, the weight shifts and everything, man. It gets a little, you get all nervous. I probably should have gave him some more room with the silt fence with them big old tires. Golly, bum garners. Boy, that got questionable right there. He's got the second truck on the way. Alrighty, y'all, we're working, trying to level it out. Got the rake on her. We're a little high here. I'm gonna pull some for you. You're good. All right, y'all, so out here working, we're grinding, getting this footer poured, man. I mean, if you just look around here, I'll come this way for you. Got my GoPro in the background as well, but we're getting all the piers set up right here. This is where those block columns are gonna go. We're getting the perimeter done right now, just so we can have this thing ready for a block foundation. Everybody's working hard. Chris, Brandon, everybody's doing it, baby. Big shout out to Lamcon bringing out the concrete. It gets tiring. You get a good workout in. You work till dark sometimes. That's what construction is, baby. Nikos Property Show. We got to get to work right here. Let's do some time lapse. Let's finish this job up, and let me show you some more progress. Alrighty, y'all, so we are working extremely hard out here. We've got most of the footer done. We've got most of it poured, and it is hot. I am sweating, but hey, they always say, are you working hard or hardly working? We're working hard today, baby. This is good stuff. Lots of progress being done. We got 2 trucks almost emptied out. We're about to take on a 3rd one. Very beautiful. Cannot wait to get this foundation laid with block. One of the trucks is about to wash out and everything like that. This is what it goes like when you're doing a footer. This is when you're digging it, when you're pouring it, and all this good stuff. So it's kind of fun, but it is tiring. I will say that, especially if it's hot. When it cools down and everything, all that's good stuff. But anyways, let me show you a little bit right here as we go around. I mean, check that out. All glazed over like a beautiful baby donut. Oh yeah, look at that. Going all the way through here, and then all the way up here. A lot of step down, well, not a lot of step downs. I think we got 11. So like I was showing y'all earlier, let me get my shadow out the way. That piece of wood right there, that's called the bulkhead. So that's keeping it to be hopefully a great 90-degree angle right there. And every time you step down, that's what's happening. So really awesome stuff. If you've never done it, it's fun to learn. Construction is not for the faint of heart though. You got to work hard if you want to make it in construction. If you want to build your own house, you got to learn a lot, you got to do a lot, and it's fun because it's your baby, it's your project, it's your piece. So keep watching, more progress coming. Stay tuned to the end of this video. It's really fun. Alrighty, y'all, it has been an amazing day of work. The footer is finally finished. I'm gonna show you that right now. Super exciting day to be able to pour the entire footer, get it done, let it dry out, and get ready for a block foundation. I hope y'all enjoyed this day and this process as much as I have. Let me show you real quick the finished product, because this is absolutely awesome. Like, I love looking at this after it's done. Check this out. Look at this. I'm gonna get back in the corner so y'all can see it. Obviously it's not the best view without the drone, but it is what it is. Check this out. I'll come down the line here and show you, all nice and leveled out. We got the step downs at all the bulkheads right there. Just kind of walk through. I got all the piers done, and then this is actually going to get backfilled with gravel. So all the dirt that you see, all the Yeah, so the dirt and the grass that's on the inside of the perimeter is gonna get gravel, 1/2 inch gravel, pretty much what you see over there, and what I threw on top of that 1.5 inch gravel right there. So all that's gonna get covered up so that when people are working, it's nice and clean. It can be cleaned easier, and then plastic goes on top of that at the end of the entire build. So this is really good stuff, really excited. Can't wait to get that block foundation down. And if you've been watching to this point, really appreciate you and everything that you're supporting me on. Thank you so much for everything. Just wanted to thank everybody for 3,000 subscribers. That is crazy. We are growing at such a fast pace. Going into 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. This is unreal. Y'all are making my dreams a reality. And thank you for allowing me to have some of your time throughout your week or whatever, on the weekend or something like that. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Nico here. Let's end out this video. Y'all are amazing. Thank you so much. Alrighty, y'all, super impressive day today. Pouring this footer was extremely important. We got it dug, we got the rebar laid down, and we finally got this thing poured. Trucks are moving in and out right now. It's just been a very successful day. We're excited. Cameraman, walk this way with me so you don't get hit by a truck. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. We got trucks coming in and out right now. I want to give you some awesome content coming soon. After this, we're gonna get the block foundation set, so make sure you stay tuned for all that. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you follow us on all social platforms, especially TikTok, because that's where it's easier to edit and post on the same day. Hope y'all are enjoying this build. I definitely am. My $350,000 custom home is coming straight to your iPhone, Android, tablet, computer, TV at your house on demand. Without further ado, see you on the next video. Peace.